Hi everyone, I am Sunita, working as English and Life Skills Trainer in GTWA Girls School, Ankanagudam, West Godavari District. Today I would like to discuss about understanding comprehension, 10th class functional English. To understand English, we have to know grammar, vocabulary and comprehension. Yes, we all know the significance of English, that is grammar, vocabulary and comprehension. In addition to grammar, vocabulary part, we shall go to the comprehension, that is very important. For understanding thorough English is nothing but comprehension. So let us see what is comprehension. Comprehension requires the readers to be an active constructor of meaning. Comprehension is the understanding and interpretation of what is read. Next, it has been demonstrated that readers do not simply perceive the meaning that is in a text. In fact, expert readers co-construct meaning with a text. Comprehension always attend to what is coded or written in the text, but it also depends upon the reader's background, experience, purpose, feelings, and needs of the moment. That's why we can read the same book or story twice and it will have very different meaning for us. Students, here is the process and strategies required to be an active constructor of meaning as a reader. They are: set purpose, predict, decode text, summarize, visualize, question, monitor, understanding, use clarifying and corrective strategies. Let us discuss first one, set purpose. Readers must set the purpose before reading the text in the comprehension. If the purpose is clear, the strategies used to read will change. The second one, predict. When students make predictions about the text they are able to read, it sets up expectations based on their prior knowledge about similar topics. As they read, they may mentally revise their predictions as they gain more information. Next, third one, decode text. Identify word and sentence meanings. Then fourth one, summarize. That is to bring meaning forward throughout the reading, building on prior information. Next, fifth one, visualize. Visualize means see characters, setting, situations and ideas. The sixth one, questioning. Questioning means asking and answering questions about text is another strategies that helps students focus on the meaning of text. Next one, monitor understanding. Then monitor understanding the concept given in the passage. The difference between good and poor readers is that good readers know when or often why they are not comprehending. Next, eighth one, use clarifying and corrective strategies. You should follow clarify or corrective strategies. Ninth one, reflect on and apply. Compulsory we should reflect on or apply the meaning that has been made to new situations. Dear students, by following the above rules, you can become a good readers or understanding comprehension. Look at the passage and we read it together. Reading the passage, the given passage or paragraph about art class. One of the things I like best about the school is my art class. We have a great teacher named Mrs. Helbert. So, the given passage or paragraph about a art class. Here one teacher is her name is Mrs. Helbert. She is a wonderful artist. I love to watch her draw and paint. She taught us how to mix paint to make just the right colors for our paintings. So she taught Ada loves to watch the teacher draw and paint. She taught us how to mix paint to make just the right colors for our paintings. And also she plays a good music while they draw and paint. We draw and paint almost every in class. Every day they draw and paint. Some days they look at pictures of others. It helps her to think of things that she want to paint or draw. They have an art exhibit on May this year. Their work will be in one of the banks in their town. They are inviting people from the community to their exhibit. Their parents are invited to go with them. She has 3 paintings that she is working on them. She hopes one of them will be chosen to be in the exhibit. She likes having a goal to work towards. Did you understand the passage? Let us answer the question for the passage or paragraph. Answer the questions. The first one, what is one of the favorite classes of the student? The answer is art. The second one, the author described Mrs. Helbert as a wonderful artist. The third question, what did Mrs. Helbert teach the class to do? The Helbert teach the class mixed painting. Why does it help the students to see the works of other artists, to think about what she wants to paint? Where will the art exhibit be? At one of the banks. The answer is at one of the banks. The sixth one, what does the students hope will happen with her paintings? The student hope with her paintings, and the answer is one of them will be chosen for the exhibit. Okay student, here is the example of comprehension. I will give you assessment. Here is the example of comprehension. Try to understand the passage and answer the questions. Read carefully. Thanks for watching.